Hi, Johnny Locksmith here for Fast Las Vegas Locksmith. Here in Las Vegas, there are a variety of professional locksmith companies that provide services from automobile rekeying to residential rekeying to 24-hour locksmith service, which can cover a variety of emergency situations. Professional locksmiths here in Las Vegas can duplicate keys, they can cut new keys, they can rekey your car, rekey your house, or if it's required, actually change out the locking mechanism completely. Now, Las Vegas locksmiths are professionally trained, licensed, and bonded, but you want to make sure that you check on those issues before you hire a professional locksmith here in Las Vegas. To hire someone that is very dependable, trained thoroughly, and affordable, go to our website at www.fastlasvegaslocksmith.com.